what if the biggest room in your house wasn't even in your house? In the next 7 minutes, I'll show you the 4 genius design secrets we use to smash the walls down and create this seamless indoor-outdoor kitchen and courtyard, and how you can too. Let's go. Most of us have 2 separate lives, cooking and cleaning indoors and trying to relax outdoors. They don't connect. The result? The cook is isolated, the flow is awful, and your space only works when the weather is perfect. Our mission was simple: erase the boundary. Create one continuous living, cooking, and dining experience that works 365 days a year. And here's exactly how we did it. Secret number 1, the Vanishing Wall. This isn't just a sliding door, this is a pocketing glass wall system. When open, it completely disappears into the wall, creating one massive, uninterrupted room. No awkward doorways, no bottlenecks, just pure, uninterrupted flow. This is the single most important change you can make. Secret number 2, the continuous finish. To trick the eye, you must continue your materials. We use the same large format porcelain tiles inside and out. They're durable, weatherproof, and most importantly, they create a visual runway that pulls you outside. We also continued the ceiling line with this slatted pergola, aligning it perfectly with the interior. Your brain sees one space. Secret number 3, create a courtyard heart. Don't just put a BBQ on your patio, design a purposeful courtyard with zones. This isn't just an outdoor kitchen, it's an extension of your home. This fire pit isn't just for looks, it's a heat source and a gathering point. And this vertical garden, it's a living privacy screen and your fresh herb supplier for dinner. Every element has at least 2 jobs. Secret number 4, all-season engineering. A fair weather space is a wasted space we built for all seasons. Retractable covers for rain and sun, integrated heating for chilly nights, and even a weatherproof sound system. This space isn't just for summer BBQs, it's for cozy winter hot chocolates and listening to the rain in the spring. That's how you get a 365-day room. So there you have it, the 4 secrets: the vanishing wall, the continuous finish, the courtyard heart, and all-season engineering. It's not about having a bigger house, it's about designing a better one. Want the complete blueprint? I've put together a free downloadable guide with the exact materials, dimensions, and budget tips we used for this project. The link is right in the description below. Now I want to hear from you. What's your biggest challenge with your backyard? Cooking space? Weather? Let me know in the comments, I read every single one. If this gave you some inspiration, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more transformations. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.